Good morning, viewers. I am top astrologer M. Rajasekaran. In this prediction video, I would like to tell you about my predictions about Indian stock market during November 2021 first week. Disclaimer: out of 10 predictions made, I am getting 7 to 8 predictions correct. Viewers are requested to make a note of this point. The views expressed in this channel should not be taken as a share trading advice. Previous prediction check. For October 2021, I had given the following prediction. See, it states 18,500 points around 28/10/2021. Then I had enhanced the projection and predicted that Nifty will reach 19K in the month of October 2021 itself. Today, 27/10/2021, Nifty is at 18,210 points. In the middle of the month itself, as predicted, Nifty reached 18,600. But this continuous sell-off by FIIs had brought the market down. Up to 22/10/2021 afternoon, I was hoping for market recovery and expected the market to move up. Then I realized that even if FIIs stop selling, the panic selling by retail investor will not stop. Market will certainly go down. I was out of station on some other work, so unable to prepare a video. So I notified my prediction update through YouTube community post. As I calculated, after that point, market is only falling. Now let us come to the further predictions. November 2021. November first week is a zone of uncertainty. I have already predicted a fall in the market around 28/10/2021. Already the market had started to fall. From today, we have got two things to watch. Number one, how far market can fall. I expect the maximum fall of market to be reached within November first week. I am not giving any points of fall. Rather, avoid trading in these uncertain days. I am checking the rise of banking stocks. Number two, I am checking the rise of banking stocks. Already on 21/10/2021, I have posted a community posting. Expect the rise of banking stocks, including PSU banks. Expect Bank Nifty to go up by 500 to 1000 points in 1 week. Now you can see in 1 week Bank Nifty has risen by more than 1000 points. I see this point as a starting point for the rise of banking sector. Today Bank Nifty is 40,874 points. From here we have got a possibility of 3000 to 4000 points rise in Bank Nifty before the end of December 2021. That is, now the Bank Nifty is ready to jump. If this is correct, then we can expect another rise in banking sector before the end of November first week. When I say banking sector, it indicates Bank Nifty, PSU banks and other banking related stocks. So for the next 10 days, we can witness a seesaw battle between banking stocks and other stocks. I hope that within this time, we will have a clear picture. Clarification. There were a lot of questions from viewers in the comment sections. I cannot answer all those questions. Reason is, my prediction is about stock market is a continuous reading process. If I have to predict on something, then I have to repeat this process again and again. For example, for my prediction level of for December 2021 is 20k for Nifty. I expect 3 to 4k rise in Bank Nifty in 2 months time. To check whether these both predictions can occur, I will check the market behavior during first week of November 2021. According to the market behavior during November 2021, I will decide about the possible levels of December 2021. So always I will have time to check and correct my predictions before the actual event occurs. Without following this process, I cannot predict, but I am trying to expand the horizons of my predictions gradually. So viewers have to excuse me for not answering all their questions. To understand what I am saying, I'm just explaining whatever just happened now. I had given a level of 18,500 points for Nifty around 2810 2021. After giving this prediction, I had sensed the enormous rise and enhanced the projection and stated that Nifty will reach 19k in October 2021 itself. As Nifty was progressing, I sensed the downfall and I had posted that market will fall. In the end, market had reached 18,300 points on 27/10/2021, very close to the first prediction of 18,500 points. This sort of thing is possible only if I stick to my prediction system. You see, in all the three possibilities, my prediction is nowhere gone out of relevance like that category. It always stays relevant, either up and down. 18,500, it can either go just above 18,500 or it can fall below, just below 18,500. Both ways I can know it before, I can predict it before. So viewers have to excuse me for not answering all your questions. Hopefully I can do it later. Thank you.